specialized oversight. The Bureau of Fire Protection is now operating in high complexity sectors that require sophisticated technical leadership. And at the same time, on humanitarian assistance and disaster response, we are frontline actors in climate resilient operations. We take the lead in managing chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. Requires high-level scientific and technical coordination. The BFP provides critical pre-hospital care, bridging the gap in the National Health Emergency Framework. In anticipation to any major earthquake incidents in the country, like the big one, our operation now spans on urban collapsed structure search and rescue, water and air response, necessitating a dedicated logistical and air command vertical. The current startup creates a bottleneck that is no longer fit for purpose given the BFP's current scale. The Bureau has grown significantly in manpower. A 2-star rank is mathematically and administratively insufficient to manage a force of tens of thousands spread across a decentralized archipelago. On parity and interoperability under the DILG framework and the Uniform Personnel Laws, the Bureau of Fire Protection operates alongside the PNP, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, and even the Philippine Coast Guard and other uniform agencies. In joint operations like interagency task forces, the BFP's leadership must have the legal and ceremonial standing to sit at the table with equal authority. Upgrading to a 4-star structure provides the legal command weight necessary to implement national development priorities, peace, security, and climate resilience, with the same statutory force as our sister agencies. To build a world-class fire bureau, we must attract also world-class talent. By elevating the rank structure, we signal to engineers, chemists, doctors, and pilots that the BFP is a premier professional destination with a career ceiling that rewards high-level expertise. A 4-star structure creates a more logistical and motivating career path for our people. It acknowledges that the risks they take are equal to those of any uniformed service, fostering a sense of pride and institutional integrity. In closing, Mr. Chair, what we are asking for is straightforward, not a higher rank for its own sake, but a competency-driven, legally grounded command structure. We need a BFP that can deliver what the Filipino people expect from a modern emergency service: preventions where possible, rapid response when needed, and leadership that can coordinate across the whole of government. We respectfully ask for your support to ensure that the BFP's organizational backbone is strong enough to support the safety of our nation. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair, for this opportunity to raise this matter to your committee.
Thank you, Fire Chief Superintendent Wilberto. Maging malinis na po talaga ang pagpapatakbo ng BFP when it comes to inspection ng mga fire extinguishers. Wala na ba talaga? Hindi na talaga ba mauulit?
Mr. Chair, for now, as instructed by no less than the Honorable Secretary, all our fire safety inspectors are now wearing a body-worn camera to be able to monitor their actions. But it's not only on that particular matter, Mr. Chair. The whole move of the BFP is to relieve the 902 fire safety inspectors in Metro Manila and other regions will soon follow. This may be resolved to inadequacy of the number of fire safety inspectors as part of our mandate in enforcement of the fire code. What we did last Thursday, we were able to discuss this situation to PPSC and FTI for this school to offer courses pertaining to fire safety inspection. So this morning, Mr. Chair, those people who are removed from their posts is undergoing a reintegration and reorientation program. And that is why I came late, because I talked to them this morning. And the new designated fire safety inspectors are also into this program, undergoing 40 hours fire safety inspection training for them to be equipped on the knowledge, and at the same time, we incorporate integrity and ethical standard for their actions.
Thank you, sir. May I interrupt? Okay. Maganda yun. Dapat meron silang suot.
Already have an initial coordination with the OTS, with General Cruz, and I told him that there's a need for us to really implement this kind of safety, because there are so
My
many.
question, sir. Jurisdiction yun?
Yes, Mr. Chair, kasama
Then
ko siya
your
sa-
people are not doing their job because nag-inspect din ako last year sa napakaraming mga buses, expired yung mga fire extinguishers. So pag nagkaroon ng sunog, useless, hindi masasalba yung mga pasahero.
There will be a thorough coordination with the OTS, Mr. Chair, and we will address this matter.
Ganon din po sa mga barko. Expired yung mga fire extinguishers ang iba. So
Ah.
ibig sabihin, hindi rin kayo nag-inspect, di ba kasama rin sa responsibility niyo. Basta fire extinguisher pinag-usapan, dapat kayo po nag-inspect.
Mr. Chair, for vessels, it's the Marina.
Marina, okay.
What we are into is when the vessel is on dock, in case of fire occurrences and incident, it's the BFP who will take charge. So,
Okay. Well, then pina-inspect ako isang barko, yung exit nila, nakakandado, nakatali, sira. O, dapat nasa po sa inspection. Sabi ko nga dun sa kapitan ng barko, paano kung nagkasunog o palulubog ng barko, hindi makatakas yung mga pasahero dahil sirado yung pinto, yung fire exit nila.
Mr. Chair, it is within the Marina Authority for vessels. It's not part of the mandated functions of the BFP, but coordination is being, we will observe the coordination with the Marina. Mr. Chair.
So, lastly, mag-inspect po kayo sa mga factories, ano po? Yes, dahil marami tayong mga gagawa dyan every day by the hundreds, they're working there. Mainit, tapos walang fire exit. In fact, meron ng incidents in the past, many years ago, na natusta yung mga manggagawa dahil sinesira ng mga owners ng factory yung mga fire exits kasi iniisip nila baka magnakaw, mag-pustrip ng mga produkto. That's why they locked it. Nang nagkaroon ng sunog, ilan mga magagawa na sunog. So you have to inspect, please, itong mga factories. Okay?
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yun lang for
Duly noted, Mr. Chair. BIN, wala hong may iwan ng establishment at may inspect ko sila on the right calendar days because of this business ID number. The last digit of their number will represent the month. We counted already and calculate number of establishment versus the calendar days for inspection. Rest assured that we will look into this matter. I was the ground commander of the Capex Bar, and I don't want the same thing to happen again. So we recognize your observation, Mr. Chair, and we look into this particular matter to ensure that all establishments prior to their operation, especially those establishments operating in very hazardous situations, will be inspected and properly addressed.
Yung pong mga
Somehow motivate and uplift the entire morale of the organizations at par with our counterpart. But this is not about, yung bang tinitingnan lang ho namin, nakapantay namin yung police. I have classmates in the PNP or soon to become 3-star generals, and me myself is only 2-star. It's not about that. It's really about the evolution of the fire service, Mr. Chair, the functions of the BFP under the Republic Act 11589 of the modernization expand too much. Hindi na ho yung makalumang bumbero, Mr. Chair, na pumapatay lang ng apoy. Ang laki na ho na naging responsibility. And how to increase expert people joining the BFP is for looking that there is a future in the BFP because they will be soon getting a 4-star rank, Mr. Chair.
thank you, Mr. DJ.